War never changes.
Okay, what does it say? Left over. I have to find the railroad. I was told to follow the Freedom Trail. It was the best. I'm not gonna look it up. I want to, but I'm not gonna. And if I remember correctly, there was one right outside of here. Man, I hope it's not like one of those things where it's really stupidly overcomplicated for no reason other than we were trying to make it silly. Because if that's what it is, I'm gonna hate it. This sound thing is gonna bug me though, because if it actually is still trying to like put out in surround sound, even though I said it's stereo, it's gonna bug me. Unless, you know what? 1 second. I want to see something. Okay, it's over here, isn't it? Here we go. Sound setup, TV, AV control, change volume with voice by. Oh, this isn't actually like with the game. No, don't care. Do not care. Don't care. Oh, audio output. You change the other, be sure to recalibrate your kinetic. I don't. Oh my god, shut up. Maybe that's it? I don't know. Because I've always been putting it out in HDMI. I've never touched the volume stuff for this. Screw it. I doubt it's actually the Xbox One. Because there's been so many audio glitches for this game, it's ridiculous. Oh, right. No, I'm supposed to... You know, let's go talk to your sister. She's in here, isn't she? Me and Piper are now at the romance stage of our relationship. So that's why she's also wearing... Come on, no, let me see your hand. She is wearing my wife's wedding ring on her ring finger. See? Yeah, because we're married now. Because I can. Oh, there's Nat, and she's drawing. Okay, it's not...
Hey, pal.
Read the paper, mister. Trust me.
Okay, so it's just coming out from left and right. You shouldn't smoke. Why are you smoking? I didn't know you smoked. Okay, so it seems to be stuck to surround sound. Whatever, I guess. That's weird. That's really weird. Oh, that's gonna bug me so much. I should read up on what the difference between those two is. You can't see what I'm doing though, so it doesn't matter. Okay, let's try talking to this guy and see what he does.
Excuse me.
Okay, so I am in stereo mode, because... Ah, god damn it. Son of a bitch. I'm not gonna like this at all. Maybe that'll help. Just changing settings on the TV. It's a new TV, so I still gotta get used to changing certain settings in that. Otherwise, it won't. Or otherwise, it just, you know, shit gets whacked, yo. So I'm actually gonna Google it. Let's do that one. Trying to figure it out by putting in audio headphones. No audio jack. Blah, 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 blah. Let's see what this says. Blah, blah, blah. No, don't care. Like, I really hope this is just mine. In fact, one sec. I'm gonna try, this. I charged the battery. This should be enough. Just unplug that. Okay. You're gonna hear something probably in a second here. Actually, that's pretty quiet. I should be able to play with my headphones out. Just gonna try that for a little bit and see what happens. I'm gonna turn that down. Just in case. Because all the sound comes out the back. Because there's no speakers in the front because it's a super, like, stupid looking TV. Okay, let's see. Actually, I should talk to Piper. She can show it to me. Actually, anyone can show it to me.
Yeah. Yeah.
I... You know what? One second. I'm going to mess around some sound settings and see what happens. Okay. I don't know how it'll, like, the difference will sound. But I had to change the settings because I...
Huh?
Yeah, I couldn't hear anyone in front of me, but now I can, thankfully. Hey, baby, what's up?
Hey.
What can I do?
Let's talk.
Hey.
Where to?
Let's talk.
Hey, Piper.
Hey, here. Something to keep you sharp. Always worked for me.
You smoke.
Is everything all right between us, Piper?
Yeah.
Someone sounds a little nervous. We've got nothing to worry about. This is the happiest I've been in a long time.
Aww.
I'm out here with you.
Courtney Ford wants
What
me.
else could I need?
Your thoughts?
Well, aren't I lucky they thought you out just for me?
Haha.
That's all for now.
Sure.
Piper's gonna be my one and only. I'm not. I could go with, like, maybe if there's a hot robot, but okay. I saw a painted manhole cover somewhere. I gotta find it again. It was 6-0 is what it said. 6-0. Oh, this wasn't it. Oh.
Yeah, it's true. I got shot in the ass last year. Long story.
Good, cool, good talk. Looking for the freedom. Cricket! What's cracking? Where you going?
Hey, Cricket.
Come on, come on. Get your guns here. Small booms, big booms. I got them all.
Don't know what her deal is.
Let's see what you have.
Oh, goody. Let's make mischief.
I like her. She's great. Nothing good though, apparently. Do I need this? I don't know if one of those I need. Lead. I need lead. And because I don't like spending money. There you go. And do I have anything else to sell her? Where'd my left arm go? It's weird. That'll work. Oh, I have metal left arm or this one. Yeah, I'll keep this one. So I'm missing a right arm then. Shit. I might have put it away by accident. Alright, Freedom Trail. Quests. Along the Freedom Trail, there are markers with numbers and letters. If I follow the trail and solve the cipher, maybe I'll find the railroad. Oh. 6 and 0. I just gotta find another manhole cover. It was a manhole cover, I remember that much. If I can just find it again. Dance that pelvis dance! Look at it go! It's glitching and clipping. Are you talking about me? Cutting a skeleton up? A skeleton? Ooh, I'm going to the sewer. That was usually a bad thing to do in Fallout 3, because there was just death claws in there. Okay, it was near here. I know it was outside or around Diamond City, so I'm going to stick around here. This way! Because I remember looking for Diamond City, finding it and going, what the hell is this? And then got the activation, my guy was like, huh, 6 and 0. Alright. But I gotta find the manhole cover. Can't I just bribe someone to tell me where it is? You there, Metal Man. Copper Man. Whatever you are. I think he's copper. Okay, go a little bit further in just to make sure. No? Okay, go outside then. Oh, this is retarded. Is there a road called Freedom or something and that's what I'm missing? Protected by the wall! Piper was telling a story where when she first showed up at here, there was a hole in the wall, and the hole in the wall was covered by a bookcase, and that's it. Then she started, like, you know, asking questions.
Excuse me.
Not eager to get into a fight with mutants, huh? Guess I can't blame you.
Wait. Caravan guards, okay. But it was just like they ended up building a wall, putting up a second bookcase, and they built a wall. Okay. Freedom Trail. So all I gotta do is find that manhole, and I can probably use my intelligence to find a way out. Either that, or I'm just gonna look it up online after like 10 minutes and go, screw this shit. Okay. Mine. Oh, what? I don't get an item from that? Lame. That's okay, that's Cricket's caravan there. Follow the Freedom Trail, he said. Kind of wish it had, like, if I want to see something quickly. Okay, it doesn't say freedom. I think I'm too far south now, though. No. This is north. Oh, this is gonna annoy me. This is gonna annoy me. Follow the Freedom Trail. Like, what? I don't even know what that means. Like, is there a road called Freedom? That's my first and only thought. You're almost home. Welcome. Not a manhole cover. And it was in this kind of sidewalk, and if I could just go back and watch part, like, 2 or 3, I could find it quickly. Go away. Okay, I'm gonna head around Diamond City then, because I'm almost positive it was near Diamond City. It's just better this way for all of you. Alright, fine. Okay, I should have used on a legendary guy. Oh, never mind. He died anyways. Ghoul Slayer's 10mm pistol. 3% more damage to ghouls. Cool. I'm glad they're here. I can just do that. Maybe there's something to do with the Freedom Trail in here. That's why there were so many dogs. Like, I don't even remember what the last hint to the Freedom Trail was, aside from that one I'm thinking about. And I'm positive it was 6-0. Let's see. What the hell is this? This used to be someone's, or is it someone's now and we're just stealing, technically? Whatever, doesn't care. Doesn't matter, don't care. Okay. Nope.
Got it.
Man, there's a lot of them around here. There's always a lot of those around here. Police Precinct 8. Okay, haven't been here before. And obviously, it's somewhere I would have been. Like, right in front of somewhere I would have been. So that's actually what I should be looking, is just like fast traveling around these areas and looking around them fast. Like, immediate vicinity sort of thing. And just walk in a circle around him and then go to the next area, walk in a circle around it, go to the next area, walk in a circle. But no! Okay, this is ridiculous. No. Bad man. We're heading down the Freedom Trail, not the Murder Trail. I mean, they're probably going to be rolling from the exact same trail, but... God damn it, you dick. Shooting at my wife, how dare you. My video game waifu. Whoops, didn't mean to take that. Hey, I'll take that though. Oh. Back here again. Okay, I'm actually gonna have to Google this because I lost. I guess you were supposed to do that quest the second you got it, but because I didn't, it's gone now forever. Which kinda sucks. Actually, is it around here? And I was it on this. Just gonna take street corners and such. Look around on the road. And we're right back to where we started, pretty much. Yeah. This is great. This is the best. I wonder if they can expand their own territory. That'd be cool. Just every now and build up the wall a little bit further out. Take a little bit more. And then wait for me to go on and Google. Let's see. There, up here. Okay, here we go. Freedom Trail Fallout 4. Road to Freedom, I don't want to see that one because that one probably has videos in it. Okay, Railroad Main Quest, Boston Common Old... I wonder if that I just told myself where it is, basically. Railroad main quest, optional, acquire the quest in Good Neighbor or Diamond City, travel to Boston Common, speak and tour boat. Red trail on the ground, inspect the markers as you go along. Jump the Old North Church. Okay. Boston Common, speak to the tour bot. Okay. Boston Common, tour bot. Okay. I'm gonna ignore that. Just ignore it. Boston Public Library. Vault 114. Charles Backstreet Apparel. Wreck of the USS Riptide. Vault 81. Boston Police. Boston Major Station. Boston Common. Here we go. God damn. All the way over there. No wonder I can't find it. So 6 is O. So rail, and it says here that we'll align the letters. So I have to, it didn't tell me the numbers and the letters, so I have to figure it out still. But I know there's going to be some stupid number solution bullshit. Ah! The firefighter model protector is equipped with internal cryo gun. It can utilize in any combat situation. I want to be able to freeze them and then they just fall to pieces. They just shatter immediately, just break into dust. Yeah. Oh, whoops. There we go. All the way back. Come on. Oh, no. Bad. Bad. Come on. Oh, damn it.
You gotta be joking.
Well, I gotta kill all these guys now.
Just like that.
What do you mean? They're right there. See, that wasn't hard to find them. Where are you going? Yeah, screw it. No time. Let's go find the robot. I wonder if Swan's reset yet. Swan has not reset. I don't know if Swan even resets. Okay, find the robot, talk to the tour bot. And then follow the red trail. Ah, finally, red line. I have a feeling this is what you're supposed to do. Is get tons of slowdown. Okay, 6.
4. L. Definitely a code.
4L, 6O. I should write these down. Okay, so 4L, 6O. I don't have a pen. I can use my phone. Oh, there we go. Okay. 2A. Excuse me for a second, Mr. Ghoul. I'm just gonna type it into my browser. It's not gonna work actually. What if I find some sort of comment section, something, and put it in there, but not actually comment? Okay. Railroad. Okay, I put Raoul Road though. Yeah, 4L, 6O. Go away, phone. My phone's being a dick now. Shit. Come on. There we go. Apparently ode isn't a word. There, I just wanted to make sure it was sort of better aligned than what I had. Okay. 4L. Go away, periods. Sure, there's a few girls who feel like that too. 4L, 6O. This is 2A. 2A, and there's 2A's, so like that. God damn it, I just want to... Thank you. Okay. So I'm wondering if the red, like, I'm just gonna walk over here a little bit into the background. Oh no, never mind. It's over here. So I wonder if that designates that it stops. 4L, 2O, 6A.
6O.
Yeah, 6O. So that's one of the ones I already got. Oh shit, this one goes under a lot of stuff. Just gonna go down this road and see if it pops out. Anywhere on the other side.
3I.
3I. Good to know. Do-do-ba-do. That's actually closer like that, so I'll delete that one. You know what, this would actually be a lot easier if I did it down instead of up. R-A... Oh, don't want to do that. I-L-R-O-A-D. There we go. Okay, L was 2, I believe. 4. L was 4. Yes. And A is 2. Okay, good. Just because it's unaligned now. A is 2. I is 3. No, 3, not E. O is 6. I don't know how much that is, but I think I got R and D left. R and D, yeah, just R and D. Okay.
3I.
3I. I sound like a huge nerd. They use the blood of their enemies for that freedom blood. And D or R? R. 5.
5R.
Just ignore it. Just keep going. No, you don't. No, you don't. No, you don't. No, you don't. Oh, shit, shit. Howdy, buddy. It worked. I am so glad that worked. Okay, you guys are huge bags of dicks. I want you all dead. Kind of wish they'd leave me alone. Like, I wish after a while the enemies just wouldn't fight you anymore. Like, he killed 40 of our men! Alright. He's earned his right.
Stop right there.
I told you to stop. You didn't stop. This is your fault. You brought this on yourself. I just wanted to follow the road and see what stuff was like. Oh, hey, baby girl, what's up? So that light post was a behemoth. Oh, I should put in 6R. 5R. It was 5. I have a feeling D is going to be 1. 5R.
What was that?
There's a bullet. I got hit by a stray bullet.
There you are.
Prick.
Stop. Human is friend.
If I put away my gun. Does that mean I'm getting overweight on my inventory? Close. Okay. Where is D? I need D. This is D? This is D. 8.
8D next.
Okay. There's a lot of you, so I'm running away. I'm forward advancing, or backwards advancing. Then R1.
1R. Church.
Oh, okay, so it isn't... Ah, shit. Neat. So, which means one of those A's is wrong. Yeah, one of those A's is definitely not 2. Or 4, or 2, whatever. D. There we go. Well, time to just brood it a bit. Oh, great, Swithers. I don't like your kind here, buddy. You're gonna take that kickball. Okay. Getting so hard to come when you're seeing you're not moving. Okay. Oh, that's a couple pocket. Okay, just making sure. It's always good to make sure. Just double check. Of course, they could just be those like really sneaky ghouls that don't let you know they're alive until it's too late. Okay. The last checked, it said find the basement. So I'm going upstairs to find. Oh, whoops, shit, whoops. It's going upstairs to find the basement. It was logical. It made perfect sense to me. Up is down. Man, I hope this doesn't mess with the recording. I mean, I changed the audio mid-recording. And I didn't think about it then, but I'm too far in now to stop. I've gone too far. I can't go back. And then that's my dog. Great. He's quite the asshole. A piece of shit, really. Ah, this is taking forever to load. Wow. Seriously. Any day now. I just want to say that it's optimized for the Xbox One. Loads fast. Alright, because I'm outside now, so it'll load the entirety of the universe. Yeah, I don't need that. Huh. I hear Piper. Hey, baby girl. Oh, I'm back inside. I like how it just tells me I have to be in the church. I don't know if it tells me exactly where to go, though. There we go. I think I can change the color of the light by changing certain settings. It just says I have to be in here. Okay, he's dead. Okay, now I have to go to... I have to find the basement, man. I don't know where to go. In here. Just want to make sure I don't get screwed from behind. Wow, it is really green down here. Like, this is luminescent, man. I can't go through there. I mean, I can probably find a glitch that allows me to go through walls. We're not going to Google it right now, though. I'll do that after. Oh, here we go.
How far down do you think we go?
Far enough. That's how far we have to go. Got him. If I press B, it just cancels out the animation. That's why I do that. Don't want to spend 6.5 minutes waiting for that.
Please give me the willies.
I can give you my willy. It's not hard. I mean, I don't put my light on it. Oh, there we go.
So, that's not right.
Oh, I get it. Out of the way. Get out of the way, out of the way, out of the way. Okay, so, deducing from what I didn't find, let's see. One of the A's. So I have... Oh shit, one of the R's is 1. That's right. So it's either... Oh, shit. Well, let's try this. Really wish my phone screen didn't turn off while doing this, though, and I know it will. Okay, there. You know what? I'm going to use my notepad on my computer. Notepad or internet or anything at all. Documents, I think there's a notepad of documents. Here we go, perfect. There. R-A-I-L. Roadhouse. There. Oh, it's stuck in my ears. Okay. Okay, I don't know how this is gonna work. Let's see. One of the R's is numlock. There it is. 1. One of the A's is 2. Oh wow, I'm retarded. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You just spell out railroad. Well, you know, it took it actually spelled out and me looking at it directly to figure that stuff out. Can't, do not save, it doesn't matter. I wouldn't delete that afterwards anyways. Close, yay!
It spins.
He's so happy about that, I like that. Huh, it spins. R.
So it starts with R?
Okay. I don't know if this will work exactly. I don't know if I had to, like, memorize where they are specifically or not, but... Okay, there's only, yeah, I should technically be able to do this. Go ahead and press now. I need OAD. Damn. Got it.
There.
Stop right there.
Desdemona?
We went through a lot of effort to arrange this meeting. But before we go any further, answer my who the hell are you?
I am.
Why don't you tell me who you are first?
In a world full of suspicion,
In a
treachery, and
world where...
others,
Oh, wait.
we're the synth's only friends. We're the railroad. So answer my question.
Can I say I'm a man? I'm a scavenger, not your enemy.
I followed the Freedom Trail looking for the railroad. I'm not your enemy.
If that's true, you have nothing to fear.
Okay.
Who told you how to contact us?
I don't want to get anyone into trouble.
We'll find out, one way or another.
I can kill
Last
you.
question. Why are you here?
Okay, this one I can tell the truth.
I tracked down and killed a courser at Green Tech Genetics.
There we go.
Now I need help breaking the code on his courser chip.
You have what? This is not a joking matter.
I didn't know we were having a party. What gives with my invitation? Oh, I see you invited the Courser killer.
Ha!
Nice.
Deacon, you're late. You're saying this intruder actually killed a
It was pretty easy, actually.
single-handedly? Oh, that'd give even Gloria a run for her money.
Newsflash, boss. This guy is kind of a big deal. Done interrogating him?
I like Deacon.
Might want to show this Courser murdering machine a little courtesy. Just a thought.
I owe you an apology. Anyone who kills a courser is good in my book.
Your
I'm
mouth doesn't move
Desdemona,
correctly.
And I'm the leader of the railroad.
Good for you.
Who are you people exactly?
In a world full of suspicion,
Yeah, you already said that.
treachery, and hunters, we're the synth's
Oh, I guess
only
because I
friend.
succeeded.
Des, we need to let him in. He's got an intact Courser chip, for God's sake.
That violates our security protocols.
To hell with that. He killed a Courser. There's no way he's working for the Institute.
We're
don't know
letting
that.
you into our headquarters. You're the first outsider ever
Uh-huh.
to be given this privilege. We'll discuss the details about your chip inside.
Kill. I could have taken all of them. What's up, Deacon? You want to talk? If you go look at my wife, I'm going to put a bullet between your eyes. I like your hair. We're twins. We match, Deacon. I want you inside me. Okay. There we go. God, to spell out railroad. Like, it's... when I could see all of it out, I could... Like, it just made perfect sense, but just in two pieces, I didn't get it. My ear's really itchy. There we go. Ah.
Building a Courser chip is a very delicate operation. A million things can go wrong. The least of which is losing the data. Fortunately, we have the right man for the job.
Is it Batman? Is it this guy right here? Because that is an empty coffin. You lied to me, didn't you?
Don't try anything, stranger.
I could kill you.
Don't try anything, stranger.
You have the exact same voice as the other guy.
You need something?
Tom, our visitor here has a Courser chip.
Whoa! For real? Oh man, it's been ages.
Some ground rules. Tom can get you the code, but once he's done, we get the Courser chip.
Fine. It's yours.
All right, Tom, make it happen.
Of course, a chip.
Don't
Let's
try
have the
anything,
circuit analyzer
stranger.
take a crack at you.
Okay. Oh, they're actually looking at it in the real world. It's kind of interesting. That'd be
We're
stealing.
in. Chip accessed. Just hope the analog connectors are lit. What? Oh man, don't crash. Hold it together.
Shh.
Here it comes. Encryption algorithms. All right.
Damn.
Still running. Oh man, they've added more decimals to the last cipher. This is gonna be. Come on, baby. Show me that pattern.
This is so dumb.
Wait, they're using the same logarithmic function as the key generator. Oh, we got lucky. I got you, you institute bastard. I got you. Software in. Come on. Show me that swing base.
He's just saying random mathematics stuff.
We got the code. Let me load that onto the holotape for ya.
Good work, Tom.
Yeah, but I'm not sure our luck will hold up next time, does?
Start working on the rest of the chip. And you, I'd love to work with you more. Let me know if you're interested.
About
But
what?
to be crystal clear, if you use that data and discover anything involving the Institute, you share it with us first. Otherwise, our relationship will be in jeopardy.
Shh. My relationship is with Piper and Piper alone. I don't care about anyone else.
It's everywhere.
Yeah, Tinker Tom, you seem like you're insane.
Hi.
Everyone's all, you've been hitting the chems way too hard. But I got my eyes open. I see.
Yeah. Okay, just cardboard and mannequins. It's not stealing.
What's that for?
Nat. I'm gonna give Nat these because she's a little girl and what a bitch! Is there any magazines around here I haven't seen? God damn it, just keep pushing me, bitch. Keep pushing me.
Hey, don't try anything, stranger.
I'll do whatever I want.
Deacon's face has been under the knife many times. Every so often, boom, new identity. Hard to keep track. Maybe under all that, he's a synth. Or maybe not.
He's a synth. I'm telling you.
Listen, he may not even be alive. Tinker said he spent a year as a ghoul. I shit you not. Bullshit. Or someone said after one of Deacon's face jobs, he was a woman. But I think he was just messing with me.
There's no way Deacon is a woman.
Well, the point is, no one knows who or what Deacon really is.
I like that.
Hey, don't try anything, stranger.
Shut up. Ah. So that's where you can find these. I was wondering where you could find a crafting station like this, but I haven't seen one yet until now.
Solving for theta n when I approaches probability bounds.
Pam.
Hey, Pam.
Processing. Unknown human entity. Your arrival was not calculated.
What do you mean it wasn't calculated?
Temporarily unable to process verbal input. Still processing. Preliminary adjustments of statistical models complete. Commencing introduction. I was, am, and will most likely be Pam. Of analytic machine.
Well, nice to meet you, Pam.
Introductory token recognized.
I
Meet you too.
am known entity.
I
I do like that.
provide first-order approximations of the behaviors of all residents of the region designated Commonwealth. Rephrasing. I predict the future.
That's hard to believe.
Yeah,
Skepticism is valid.
sure is.
Biological life forms
Behave erratically, unpredictably. All output subject is an extremely high margin of error. Okay. How
Just
inaccurate?
How inaccurate are you?
The smaller the group and the greater the time frame, the less accurate I become. But all predictions
Are affected by the human element. Okay.
Operation complete. You
Your
are
rogue relevant no current or previous models predict your presence or existence.
What is your point?
Sure.
Um,
I'm
Vault
from
111.
Vault 111, if that's what you mean.
Accessing. Vault
Cryo Vault
1.
believed destroyed.
Conversation terminated.
Pending construction of new probability matrix rephrasing combined. I do like that.
Don't try anything, stranger.
I'll try whatever I want. Christ's sakes, what's everyone telling me not to try stuff? I'm gonna try picking my nose. I'm gonna just flicking boogers at you.
Need fixing up. Let's get a look at you.
Could
Barter.
use some supplies, actually.
All right, but go easy on the chems.
Don't worry, I don't do chems often enough. Antiseptic, eh? What do I got to sell you? Take that. You can take that as well, and that, don't need it. And you can take these. I honestly just sell most of the weapons I pick up now because I don't even care to break them down. As well as, like, items. Let's see, what else can I sell? Standard sights. I guess that's... I really don't want to spend 204 on this. Oh, this one. There we go. And because I don't care for it, I won't be using that either. There we go. That's more like it.
How many synths cleared the Commonwealth last month?
One I know of. You heard what happened to A9?
That's the op that went to shit, right?
Yeah. After Ticonderoga,
Ty-
all hell broke loose.
Ticonderoga.
Only one runner made it out.
The Institute must have been tailing A9 from the start.
Who is A9?
Maybe. A million things could have gone wrong.
I think A9 sounds familiar.
That's
Oh,
when he talked
Dutchman!
Rest
A9.
in peace, brother.
Hey, don't try anything, stranger.
I remember those names. There, I don't know if I was recording when it happened, but I found some corpses and with notes and stuff on it about like A9. Here's this. Get to Bunker Hill. Where the hell is Bunker Hill? This is gonna take like 7 minutes of loading now. Great. I'm gonna grab a drink of orange juice. I'll be right back. That actually didn't take long at all. Still be right back.
War never changes.